Hi guys, Darren from venomfluidart. Thank you so much for joining me today on the Fluid Art Express. Up first you would have seen Taslima from Taslima Maya Art. After me we've got Kristey from Creations by Kristey, Shannon from ShanB Fluid Art, Bubbles from venomfluidart, and last but not least, Tony and Kat, the hippy dippy painter man. So stay on board and enjoy the ride. So what I figured today was I'll just have a bit of a play day. So I've got a couple of quickies that I'm going to throw up for you, and put some tunes on, kick back, and enjoy the ride. Alright guys, talk to you at the end.
To my card, I know what it costs. Yeah, I put in the work that you don't. Day after day, I work in the play. Yeah, I'll do all the things that you won't. Even when my feet get tired, I will keep on moving higher. I'm the story you don't speak of. I'm the one they call the underdog. Cause every time the push comes to shove, I'm climbing over you to reach the top. Cause I want everything and nothing at all. Yeah, I want everything and nothing at all. Cause I want everything and nothing, nothing at all. Don't care what you think, what you believe, cause I'm gonna turn the world upside down. If you want a shot, just step in the ring. Yeah, I'ma shake your bones like thunder. Even when my feet get tired, I will keep on moving higher. I'm the story you don't speak of. I'm the one they call the underdog. Every time the push comes to shove, I'm climbing over you to reach the top. Cause I want everything and nothing at all. Yeah, I want everything and nothing at all. Cause I want everything and nothing at all. I don't want nothing at all unless I can have it all. I don't want nothing at all. I don't want nothing at all unless I can have it all. Nothing at all. I want everything and nothing at all. Yeah, I want everything and nothing at all. Cause I want everything and nothing at all. I don't want nothing at all unless I can have it all. I tablets to fade away. We will remain. Oh, look what we done. The wars we won. We rise like the sun, but don't go down. I want it all. I want it all. So long live the king. Long live the empire. Yeah, I'll wear the crown till the world is burned down. I am king, this is my empire. I live for the sound as it moves through the crowd, saying King, King, King. Long live the kingdoms will fall to mine is the only one. Written in stars like a sign of glory to come. Glory to come. Oh, look what we've done. The wars that we won. We rise like the sun, but we won't go down. I want it all. I want it all. Long live the king, long live the empire. Yeah, I wear the crown till the world is burned down. I am king, this is my empire. I live for the sound as it moves through the crowd, saying king, king, king. Long live the king, king, king. Long live the. I know you've heard all the stories about me. Sometimes a legend is hard to believe. Yeah, I'll show you just how true they can be. Let's raise a glass to the king. Long live the king, long live the empire. Yeah, I wear the crown till the world is burned down. I am king, this is my empire. I live for the sound as it moves through the crowd, saying king, king, king. Long live the king, king, king. Long live the king. I'd move the world for your eyes, run through the fires for you. I'd put your love on my life. There's nothing I wouldn't do. I don't feel the same when I'm not with you. Love the risk, but what is this coming to? Oh, your love is dangerous. You make it dangerous. This is dangerous love. It's dangerous love. It's dangerous love. It's dangerous, dangerous, dangerous love. It's dangerous love. It's dangerous love. It's dangerous, dangerous, dangerous love. I climb through your webs, jump off the edge of desire. Your touch takes me higher. Just give me your
a monster.
See the truth, no you don't have to lie to me. Don't fill your head with things and think you're free. I can smell the fear, I think you made it clear. Yeah, I could be rude, be in a mood, I could be rotten. I could be cool, man like a fool, but never forgotten. Creeping in the dark, waiting for you. Don't like what you see. Yeah, I feel like a monster, and I'm just here to haunt you. I've become your nightmare, slipping in your dreams. I'm the definition of the worst kind of mean. Yeah, I feel like a monster, and I'm just here to haunt you. I've become your nightmare, slipping in your dreams. I'm the definition of the worst kind of mean. Yeah, I feel like a monster. 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 Yeah, I feel like you can hold me back. Yeah, I'm coming for you. I'm not heater on you. No, I'm just telling you the facts. Oh, these chains can keep me down. Yeah. I can be rude, be in the mood, I can be rotten. I can be cool, man like a fool, but never forgotten. Creeping in the dark, waiting for you. Yeah, I feel like a monster, and I'm just here to haunt you.
Okay guys, that one turned out really cool. Quite happy with that one. I love how you can see all the hidden interference colours that pop through when you hit it with the light, but you can't really see it when it's just sitting there. That's the sneaky part about doing interference colours or chameleons and things like that on a white background. You don't really notice it until you hit it with a light, so just gives some really cool effects. I love it. Okie dokie. So, up next we've got Kristey from Creations by Kristey. So if you click on the name in the title of this video, it'll take you to her channel. If you're in the live chat, just click on the link that I put in there. That'll take you direct to her premiere for today. Or if you're a member of Paint Pouring by venomfluidart on Facebook, use the play all list that gets put in there. You just click that, hit play all, and it plays everybody on the Fluid Art Express, one after another. So, alright, if you like that one, hit like, share, and subscribe. Ring that notification bell. Ding-a-ling. That way you get to see all my videos as I release them. Alright guys, have fun, take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.